a whole new world. Okay, what is up, guys? My name is Luigi, and today we are going to be playing Luigi's Basics 4. Luigi's Basics 4, which is Luigi's Basics A Whole New World. So anyways, Boy Blam123 told me about this game. He's like, hey Luigi, and I think you should try the 4th game. So, I'm trying the 4th game, so let's get started. This is like Baldina's Basics. Oh, music. Okay. Oh. Whoa. FBI, open up. Wah! The FBI, open up. Hi, Luigi. Hi, Luigi. Why is Mario not in this mod? Mamma mia! Mario would say that. Hall of Fame. Luigi. Yahoo! Superintendent Chalmers. Sans. Bowser Jr. Tugay. Garfield. Baldi, a Cloud, and Windows 10. The Windows. Let's go in this room. Hi, Luigi. Waluigi! Let's try to find some notebooks. One notebook? Oh no, Shrek caught me! Luigi? Whoa! 8 notebooks now? No notebooks there. Superintendent Chalmers! There he is. Any notebooks? Second notebook. There's a lot of voices going on. Waluigi. No! A book?
Oh my God, I will slap you!
Any notebooks? Oh! No! Oh, Luigi caught me. You suck. Try again and maybe you'll get it right next time. Oh God, Luigi got me. Alright, let's try this again, because Luigi got me. Oh my God, we shouldn't have went in the bathrooms. Oh God, we shouldn't have went in the bathrooms.
Let's go!
Okay, Luigi's in there. So now we're actually gonna go this way. Which way? Oh yeah, straight. Oh, wait, are we supposed to see Luigi? Oh yeah, we're supposed to see Luigi. Oh yeah, true. Hi, Luigi. Alright, let's go. Okay, we got one notebook. Shrek! notebooks there. Oh, sense. Alright. I got the math problems right at least. Whoa! No, let me out! Let me out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's go. Any traps? Oh. Whoa! Luigi. Pretended Chalmers. Hey. Okay, we gotta be careful. Oh! No! No! Luigi's coming. Oh, Luigi. Okay. There? Notebook? Is there a notebook? Whoa! No, Luigi! Luigi! Okay, I'll go this way. Oh my god, Luigi's gonna get me. I need to find some notebooks. Oh no, 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 no. Oh my god, Luigi. Oh my god, we're outside. Can we escape this? Luigi, don't get me outside. Okay, we gotta be careful. Okay. No. Okay, we're outside. Oh, so this is actually a pretty good mod. Luigi's probably gonna find me. Is he? Wait, does Luigi go outside? Oh! Oh!
Oh my god, I will slap you!
Alright, so Luigi got me. Well, anyways, guys, I hope you guys liked this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.